Can COPD wheezing trigger panic attacks? Have you ever wondered how a simple sound can lead to overwhelming feelings? In the case of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, wheezing sounds can indeed trigger panic attacks. Wheezing is that high-pitched whistling noise you hear when someone is having trouble breathing. This happens when the airways become narrowed or blocked, which is a common symptom of COPD. When a person with COPD experiences wheezing, it often comes with a sensation of restricted airflow. This feeling can make someone feel breathless, and our brains can interpret this as a warning signal. As a result, it can lead to feelings of anxiety or even panic. People living with COPD frequently deal with anxiety. The struggle to breathe creates a cycle where breathlessness leads to panic, and panic makes breathing even harder. During a panic attack, the body goes into fight or flight mode. This response causes rapid, shallow breathing, a racing heart, and tightness in the chest. These physical symptoms can make the feeling of breathlessness worse, reinforcing the panic episode. Moreover, the unpredictability of wheezing episodes can add to the anxiety. Individuals may worry about future breathing crises, potential disability, or the need for oxygen therapy. This worry can elevate anxiety levels even further. The combination of the physical symptoms from wheezing and the psychological response can blur the lines between COPD symptoms and panic attacks. This often leads to a downward spiral of worsening respiratory and emotional distress. Managing this interaction is essential. Recognizing the signs of anxiety and panic in individuals with COPD is important. Strategies like breathing exercises, counseling, and appropriate medications can help control both respiratory symptoms and mental health. Addressing anxiety can lead to better management of COPD symptoms, fewer hospital visits, and an improved quality of life. So, while wheezing is a physical symptom of COPD, it can also be a significant trigger for panic attacks due to its impact on breathing and emotional well-being.